I'm Sarah Ozga, Product Manager here at CPS.
And I'm John Drummond, Applications Engineer. Today we are going to perform an experiment by wiring two CPS 50 kilowatt inverters, one with standard wirebox and the other with H4 version.
The 50 and 60 kilowatt inverters are the first of the CPS string inverters to offer both standard and H4 connector wirebox versions. The H4 wirebox is not for all applications. If installing on a carport or anywhere that unqualified personnel can access the inverters, the PV conductors need to be in conduit. However, there are many applications in which the H4 wireboxes will be safe, code compliant, and potentially save the installer time. Behind the fence ground mounts and rooftop systems are great applications for the H4 box.
Let's get started. Start the clock.
The H4 wirebox saved us 7 minutes on one inverter installation. A 1 megawatt site would result in approximately a 2.5 hour time savings.
You can increase this time savings even more if you pre-make wire harnesses in the warehouse before going to the site.
This real time saved reduces your labor costs. But remember, these quick connect wire boxes are not meant for every application. If you have behind the fence ground mount or roof mount systems, consider the H4 style wire box and see how much you can save.
The team at CPS doesn't just care about the efficiency of the inverter, we care about the efficiency of your install. We hope this demonstration has been helpful. For more information on our products, please visit chintpowersystems.com.